Discover 179 Gilbert Hill Road in Fairfield, a seamless blend of Vermont country living and modern convenience. This lovely country home, built in 2015, boasts mature gardens, a pergola with stone patio and fire pit, and so much more. Inside, you'll discover a thoughtfully designed interior with open concept living. The living room features bamboo flooring and a cozy gas fireplace. The gourmet kitchen is the heart of the home, with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a walk-in pantry, making meal preparation a breeze. Off the dining room, French doors lead to a heated four-season porch, the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or unwind after a long day. Behind a sliding barn door, you'll find 2 sunny guest rooms and a full bath. The primary bedroom features a walk-in closet and private ensuite bath, complete with freestanding soaking tub, separate shower, and double vanity. Above the 2-car garage, there's a finished bonus space ideal for crafting or setting up your home office. This country property also offers a barn with 2 stalls, a chicken coop, and an electric fence surrounding the paddock and garden area. Owned solar panels will subsidize your electric bill while you enjoy year-round comfort with 2 mini split heat and air conditioning units. Nestled at the top of a hill, this farmhouse offers a lovely country setting with breathtaking mountain views, yet it's a short drive to St. Albans City and easy access to Interstate 89. Don't miss the perfect opportunity to embrace the homesteader lifestyle. Schedule a visit to 179 Gilbert Hill Road today and make this contemporary farmhouse your dream home.